Designing an AV solution is utmost important for every successful AV project. At Zapper AV, we simplify complexity by creating bespoke solution tailored to projects' unique needs. Now, from conceptual schematics to a detailed plan, our designs ensure seamless integration and exceptional user experience. So you might ask, what's our process? Well, we start by understanding your vision and goals, creating a detailed schematics, bill of material, and room functionality document, thus bringing your project idea to life. After that, through a series of feedback, we refine every detail to ensure it is technically correct solution. Accurately designed AV solution ensures the project scope aligns with the design, avoiding last-minute costly mistake. By focusing on precise planning and execution, we deliver a system that meets requirements while optimizing resources and minimizing unnecessary expenses. Looking for AV design solution or plan check? Let Zapper AV bring simplicity to complexity. Because great designs build successful projects. Chat to us today. Thank you very much.